I just think that doing the virtual conference, it turned out so much better than we thought, because when we're at our in-person ones and we get up there, we're excited, everyone else gets excited. And I didn't think that would happen here, but people emailed me after. They're like, I stood up in my chair and I clapped and it was the best. And I was like, oh good, I'm so happy. We advertised it and said, not only can you attend over 130 sessions, but you'll get to be able to view all of them afterward, up to 12 months. People can go to Sched, they can say, oh, I missed this one because I was in here. They can click into it and boom, it just pops up a video and they can just start watching it right there. And it's super easy for them. I think it was really good that we set it up so people could be super interactive or not interactive, because some people just didn't want to. They're like, I haven't had my hair cut in a month. My video camera is really bad. I'm like, no one's going to see you if you don't want them to. And they're like, okay, then I'm in. So that was a surprise. So the best part about Sched was that it was just like a perfect overlay to the whole thing. Without it, people would not be able to visualize what was going to happen. Like, we could have done it and just said, go to this link, but the fact that they could go into Sched and see all of the sessions laid out and then filter it and just see what they want, and of course just see their schedule, that was really, really easy for them, and they really liked that.